The experience that I had with home design was really great. It was really amazing. So we're standing in it right now, but had an unfinished basement for many years, and I never really knew what I wanted to go and do with it. And so I was a little bit clueless in the beginning. I had never done a project like this, and I needed help with everything pretty much, like from design through the contracting, the permits, picking the specific finishes, all of these different things. And so they helped me, home design really helped me end to end and throughout the entire process. So that was great already to begin with. But as we kind of got through the process, there were different things that I noticed as well. One thing was that they were very, very respectful to me, my family, my house. So I have a 2-year-old daughter here, and we couldn't move out or anything like that. And so the guys were here for several weeks, but they were always very respectful, very clean after themselves. They were very respectful of all of us. And so that was very helpful. I think another thing that I noticed is that even though I did a ton of research into, again, like colors and finishings and how I wanted to do different things in my basement, like these guys have done this for many years, like in thousands of projects, and that it showed. And so even when I had my designs ready and I thought I had the whole design ready and the specifications, they in a very subtle way kind of made suggestions or recommendations in terms of like, hey, have you thought about doing this wall a little bit more to this side? Or have you thought about doing this finishing maybe a little bit differently? Which all turned out fantastically for me. So I don't have any complaints whatsoever. Would recommend anyone to work with these guys. In fact, I will work with them again because I've got a couple projects more to do in this house alone. Yeah, I would absolutely recommend you to reach out to these guys because they'll treat you respectfully. They'll listen to you and kind of work with you. They won't really try to sell you things necessarily that you don't want, right? Which for me was also very important. So yeah, good luck.